Puffing insecticidal dust into cracks and voids delivers long-lasting control of spiders, roaches, and other hiding pests when used correctly. Apply dusts like delta dust and general silica or diatomaceous earth formulations only to dry surfaces and target limited volumes inside cracks, wall voids. Electrical outlets after power is disconnected at the breaker and non-energized junction boxes, attic eaves, and under baseboards. Use a dedicated hand bellows or battery-powered duster with a narrow nozzle to place a thin, even band of dust rather than a cloud. Excess powder reduces efficacy and increases cleanup. Combine dusts with a residual liquid perimeter treatment on accessible surfaces and baiting at foraging sites so you attack both hiding and roaming phases of pests. Train technicians to wear NIOSH-approved respirators when necessary, nitrile gloves, and to avoid contaminating living spaces by placing dust only where pests travel and not on bedding or food prep areas. Inspect and use a high-efficiency particulate air vacuum to remove old packed dust and debris before reapplication. Because layered, compacted dust loses contact with insects. Document placement locations and photos in service records and schedule follow-up visits every 2 to 3 months until activity is eliminated, reducing unnecessary overapplication. Common mistakes include overapplication that creates visible powder and resident complaints. To fix this, apply thin targeted lines and explain placement to occupants. Another issue is applying dust to moist or dirty voids where it will clump and fail. Remove moisture sources, clean when possible, and only apply to dry substrate. A third mistake is treating live electrical components or failing to de-energize outlets, which risks shock. Always shut power at the breaker, test for voltage, or treat only accessible non-energized cavities and consult a licensed electrician for complex work. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and contractors find new work related to pest exclusion and remediation. We also host a discussion community where users and pros exchange tips, ask questions, and share photos about home pest control and treatment approaches.